so that tangent at one extremity of focal chord of a parabola is extremity of a focal chord of a parabola is parallel to the normal at other extremity. Okay, that means tangent at one extremity of focal chord, x-axis, y-axis, focal chord P, focus S, Q. Tangent at one extremity of focal chord, tangent. Next, normal at other extremity is this. These two are parallel. And prove cheyali. So that the tangent at one extremity of focal chord of a parabola is parallel to the normal at the other extremity. First, tangent at P find out chestam. Next, normal at Q. Okay. Of course, S equal to A comma 0. Let A point AT1 square 2AT1. Extremities of focal chord is P and Q. That is Q AT2 square 2AT2. There is one relation T1 T2 equal to minus 1. Because PQ is focal chord, T1 T2 equal to minus 1. Now, let parabola is y square equal to 4ax, focus S A comma 0, P AT1 square 2AT1, comma Q AT2 square 2AT2 are endpoints of extremities of focal chord that implies T1 T2 equal to minus 1. Now, tangent at P is formula yt1 equal to x plus at1 square. Yt1 equal to x plus at1 square. That is y equal to 1 by t1x at1. Next, normal at Q at2 square 2at is y plus xt2 equal to 2at2 plus at2 cube. Here slope is y equal to mx plus c. Here slope is m1 equal to 1 by t1. Here slope is m2 equal to minus t2. m2 equal to minus t2. But t1 t2 equal minus 1. t2 equal to minus 1 by t2 equal to minus 1 by t1. Minus t2 equal to 1 by t1. That is m2. Since t1 t2 equal to minus 1, m1 equal to m2. Slope of this line equal to slope of this line. Therefore, the tangent at one extremity of focal chord of a parabola is parallel to the normal. Tangent is parallel to normal at other extremity of focal chord Okay, that is problem. Parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Endpoints are extremities of focal chord is p at1 square comma 2at1, q at2 square comma 2at2. Here t1 t2 equal to minus 1 because this focal chord means that is passing through focus. Okay, that's proof is the chord joining 2 points S1 plus S2 equal to S12. In that we can substitute focus S a comma 0, we get t1 t2 equal to minus 1. Normal at q at2 square 2at2 is y plus xt2 2at2 plus a2 cube. Tangent at p point is yt1 equal to x plus at1 square. Here slope is 1 by t1. Here slope m2 is equal to 1 by minus t2. Here slope is minus t2. t1 into t2 equal to minus 1. t1 into t2 equal to minus 1. Okay na? ఎందుకని పాసింగ్ త్రూ ఫోకల్ కార్డ్ కదా. ఓకే, therefore m1 equal to t1 t2 equal minus 1, t2 minus t2 equal 1 by t1, m2 equal to m2 equal to 1 by t1 means m1. Slopes equal, therefore tangent at p, normal at q are parallel because slopes equal. These slope equal. These two lines slope equal, therefore these two lines are parallel. One line is tangent at one extremity of focal chord, other line is tangent normal at other extremity of focal chord. These two are parallel. That is problem 9. 10. First one. The normal at a point t1 on y square equal to 4ax that means parabola meets the parabola again in the point t2, meets the parabola again in the point t2. Then prove that t1 t2 plus t1 square plus 2 t1 t2 plus t1 square plus 2 equal to 0. The normal at a point t1 on y square equal to 4ax meets the parabola again at the point t2. Therefore prove that t1 t2 plus t1 square plus t2 equal to 0. That means parabola, the normal at any point p, this is tangent, this normal meets again parabola at q. Here p equal to at1 square comma 2at1, that normal meets again q, at2 square comma 2at2. Given parabola y square equal to 4ax. Now the normal at p at1 square comma 2at1 is y plus xt1 equal to 2at1 plus at1 cube. at1 cube, that is equation number 1, normal equation. y plus xt1 equal to 2at1 plus at1 cube, normal equation. This normal meets again, this is meet again at q at2 square comma 2at2 because parametric point on parabola. Therefore, put x plus at2 square y plus 2at2, that is 2at2 plus at2 square t1 equal 2at1 plus 2at1 cube. Y plus lo at2 2at2, x plus lo at2 square, that is ఏం కామన్ వస్తుంది, ఏ కామన్ అవుట్ 2t2 t1 t2 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2t1 మైనస్ t1 క్యూబ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఏ అట్ వెళ్తే 0 అవుతుంది. ఇంట్లో 2 కామన్ అవుట్, t2 మైనస్ t1, హియర్ t1 కామన్ అవుట్, t2 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ t1 స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. 2 into t2 minus t1, t1 into t2 minus t1 into t2 plus t1, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. t2 minus t1 common out, remaining 2 plus t1 into t1 plus t2 equal to 0. This part goes to right side, 0 by something 0, that is 2 plus t1 into t1 plus t2 equal to 0. That implies t1 square plus t1 t2 plus 2 equal to 0. Very, very important problem. t1 square plus t1 t2 equal to, this is also in objective, t2 equal to minus t1 square minus 2 by t1, minus 2 by t1 minus t1. Objective formula. Other point t2 equal to minus 2 by t1 minus t1. When it is possible, the normal at one point meets again in the parabola. The normal at P meets again in parabola at Q. Then T2 equal to minus 2 by T1 minus T1. Objective formula, direct formula. Here proof T1 square plus T1 T2 plus 2 equal to 0. For this, the normal at point P at1 square 2at1 is direct formula y plus xt1 equal to 2at1 plus at1 cube. This is meets again at other point q at2 square 2at2 because parametric form, any point on the parabola, parametric form. Therefore, q at2 square 2at2, substitute in equation 1 we get 2at2 y plus lo 2at2 x plus lo at2 square, a common out totally. Next here 2 common out, t2 minus 2 1, here t1 common out, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b common out, remaining part 2 plus t1 into t1 plus t2 equal to 0. That is t1 square plus t1 t2 plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, t2 equal to minus 2 by t1 minus t1. That is problem 1. From an external point P, tangents are drawn to the parabola y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to 4ax, and these tangents makes angles theta 1 theta 2 with its axis, and these tangents makes theta 1 comma theta 2 with its axis, such that cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 equal to d is constant d, is constant d. then show that the all such P lies on a horizontal line. Then show that all such P lie on a horizontal line. Then show that all such P lie on a horizontal line. That means x-axis. Lie on a horizontal line, that means x-axis. From an external point P, tangents are drawn to the parabola. Okay. Tangents are drawn to the parabola. These angles theta 1 and theta 2 with its axis, such that cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is constant d. Okay. Given parabola, y square equal to 4ax. Theta 1 theta 2 with its axis such that cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 equal to d. Given parabola y square equal to 4ax. Any tangent to the parabola, any tangent to the parabola y equal to mx plus a by m, y equal to mx plus a by m, cross multiplication. Mx, m square x minus my plus a equal to 0. P x1 comma y1 is external point. Therefore, that passing through Px1 y1, that implies m square x1 minus my1 plus a equal to 0. Sum of the slopes. This is quadratic equation in m's. There are two slopes, m1 and m2. Sum of the slopes, because two tangents from Px1 y1. m1 plus m2 equal to minus b by a, that is y1 by x1. m1 into m2 equals c by a by x1. y1 by x1, m1 into m2, a by x1. Given condition cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 equal to d, that implies cot theta 1 means 1 by tan theta 1 plus 1 by tan theta 2, that is 1 by m plus m1 plus 1 by m2 equal to d, that implies m1 plus m2 by m1 m2 equal to d, m1 plus m2 y1 by x1, m1 m2 a by x1, that implies y1 equal to ad, that is a into d, that is constant. y1 equal to constants means that is horizontal line parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis. Therefore, all P lies on a horizontal line. Therefore, P lies on horizontal line, because locus is y equal to constant. Locus is y equal to constant. Therefore, P lies on horizontal line. From question, from an external point P, there are two tangents drawn to the parabola, and these tangents makes theta 1 and theta 2 with axis such that cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 equal to constant d. Then prove that all such P lies on a horizontal line. That means prove that locus of that P is horizontal line. Any tangent to the parabola y equal to mx plus a by m, LCM cross multiplication, that is passing through Px1 y1. Substitute Px1 y1, we get m square x1 minus my1 plus a equal to 0. Sum of the slopes y1 by x1, product of the slopes c by a, Given that cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 equal d, 1 by tan theta 1 plus 1 by tan theta 2 equal d, LCM, m1 plus m2 by m1 m2, m1 plus m2 y1 by x1, m1 m2 a by x1, cross multiplication, y1 equal to ad, y1 equal to constant, therefore P lies on horizontal line. That is problem 2. Problem 3. Show that the common tangents to the circle, show that the common tangent to the circle 2x square plus 2y square equal to a square, to the circle 2x square plus 2y square equal to a square, and the parabola y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to 4ax intersect at the focus of the parabola, at the focus of the parabola, y square equal to minus 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax. The common tangent to the circle and parabola intersects at the focus of the parabola, y square equal to minus 4ax. That means common tangent to circle and parabola, x axis, y axis, circle, parabola, x axis, y axis, origin, center. These common tangent intersect at the focus of parabola, y square equal to minus 4ax. Y square equal to minus 4ax means this part. Okay, focus దగ్గర intersect అవుతుంది common tangent. Common tangent intersect at focus. Okay. First of all, here a distance between the origin to center, origin to focus a. Here a by root 2. Radius is a by root 2. A by root 2. Suppose a 4 by root 2. 4 by 1.414. 4 by 1.40 by 15. 2 point something. But here a 4. Okay, a value ఎక్కువ, distance focus ఎక్కువ. ఓకేనా, here minus a, here a. Okay, that means circle size తగ్గుతుంది. ఓకే, circle size decrease అవుతుంది. Circle okay, center origin, radius a by root 2. But a by root 2 means less than a కదా, therefore circle size తగ్గుతుంది. Circle. Now tangent, common tangent to circle and radius, parabola. These common tangent meet at focus minus a comma 0. Okay, parabola and circle common tangents meets focus of y square equal to minus 4ax. This is y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. Okay. Now, equation of given circle 2x square plus 2y square equal to a square. That implies x square plus y square equal to a square by 2. Center 0, 0. Radius r equal to a by root 2. Next, the tangent for y square equal to 4ax is y equal to mx plus c means a by m. That is equation number 1. One is also tangent to circle, tangent to x square plus y square equal to a square by 2. That implies r equal to d. R means a by root 2 equal to d means perpendicular distance from center to line. Perpendicular distance from center to line. Mod c by root of a square plus b square. A cancel. Cross multiplication. Root 1 plus m square. Root 2 by m. Root 2 by m. Okay na? Y equal to mx plus c and a by m. Cross multiplication and squaring. M square into 1 plus m square equal to 2. That implies m power 4 plus m square minus 2 equal to 0. That implies factorization. M power 4 plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 equal to 0. M square minus 1, m square plus 2 equal to 0. Because here m square common out, m square plus 2. Here minus 1 common out, m square minus 1 into m square plus 2. M square minus 1 into m square plus 2. Next, from this m square equal to minus 1, m square minus 1 equal to 0, m equal to plus or minus 1. Minus 1. M square minus 1 equal to 0, that implies m equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, common tangent is, substitute in equation y equal to mx plus c a by m plus or minus x plus a. Okay. Next, focus of y square equal to minus 4ax is minus a comma 0. Okay. Therefore, common tangent y equal to plus or minus x plus a passes through minus a comma 0. Passes through minus a comma 0. Because substitute minus a comma 0, x plus lo minus a 0, y equal to 0, 0 equal to 0. Therefore, passes through minus a comma 0. Therefore, common tangent intersect at focus of y square equal to minus 4ax. Focus of y square equal to minus 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax parabola. This is y square equal to minus 4ax circle. Common tangent to circle and parabola is y equal to mx plus c a by m. It is tangent to circle, therefore r equal to radius equal to perpendicular distance from origin to line. Mod c by root of a square plus b square. Perpendicular distance from origin to line lx plus my plus n is mod c by root of, or y equal to mx plus c is mod c by root of a square plus b square. Root 1 plus m square equal to root 2 by m. Cross multiplication we get m power 4 plus m square minus 2 equal to 0. M power 4 plus 2m square minus m square minus 2. M square common out. M square minus 1, m square plus 2. M square plus 2 is not equal to 0 because it is impossible. M square equal to minus 2. M square always positive. Therefore, m square equal to 1, m equal to plus or minus 1. Common tangent is y equal to plus or minus x plus a. That is always passes through minus a comma 0 because substitute x equal to minus a and y equal to 0 we get satisfied. Therefore, intersect at focus of second parabola y square equal to minus 4ax. Y square equal to minus 4ax. Focus is minus a comma 0. That is problem 3. Next, fourth one. The sum of ordinates of 2 points y square equal to 4ax is equal to sum of ordinates of 2 points on the same curve. Fourth one, the sum of ordinates of 2 points on the curve y square equal to 4ax on y square equal to 4ax is equal to the sum of ordinates of other 2 points, ordinates of other 2 points on the same curve, then show that the chord joining 2 points, joining the first 2 points is parallel to the chord joining the other 2 points. The chord joining first 2 points is parallel to the chord joining other 2 points. That means any parabola y square equal to 4ax, a point at1 square comma 2at1, b point at2 square comma 2at2. The chord joining these 2 points is parallel to c point at3 square 2at3, d point at4 square 2at4, parallel. And ordinates of first 2, sum of ordinates of first 2 points equal to sum of the ordinates of second 2 points. Okay, parallel అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. First 2 points on parabola y square equal to 4ax are a at1 square comma 2at1, b at2 square comma 2at2. Second 2 points c at3 square comma 2at3, d at4 square comma 2at4. Now sum of the ordinates of first 2 points equal to second 2 points. 2at1 plus 2at2 equal to 2at3 plus 2at4. 2 cancel. t1 plus t2 equal to t3 plus t4. t1 plus t2 equal to t3 plus t4. Okay. Now the chord joining 2 points, joining A and B is S1 plus S2 equal to S12. That is S1 y by 1 minus 2a into x plus x1. S2 y by 2 minus 2a into x plus x2. S12 y1 y2 minus 2a into x1 plus x2. That is minus 2ax minus 2ax minus 4ax, y common out, y1 plus y2 equal to remaining part minus 2ax1 minus 2ax2 y1 y2 minus 2a into x1 plus x2, that is minus 4ax y1 plus y2 means 2a t1 plus 2a t2, 2a common out, 2a t1 plus 2a t2 minus 2a into a t1 square minus 2a into a t2 square, 2a t1 2a t2 minus 2a into a t1 square plus a t2 square. Therefore, slope is slope minus a by b, 4a by 2a into t1 plus t2. Next, the equation of curve joining C and D. Similarly, slope is C and D kada, 4a by 2a into t3 plus t4. From here t1 plus t2 equal t3 plus t4. Therefore, 4a by 2a into t1 plus t2. This is m2, m1. m1 equal to m2. Therefore, two chords parallel. These two chords parallel. First joining A and B chord, second joining C and D are parallel because slopes are equal. That is problem 4. At a point T on the parabola subtends right angle at vertex, then prove that T equal plus or minus root 2. If a normal chord at T on the parabola y square equal 4ax, on the parabola y square equal to 4ax, subtends a right angle at vertex, subtends a right angle at vertex, right angle at vertex, then prove that T equal plus or minus root 2. Then prove that T equal plus or minus root 2. Okay, and that is parabola vertex 0, 0, any point T, normal curve makes 90 degrees. Then T equal to plus or minus root 2. We prove that T equal plus or minus root 2. Therefore, the normal at T on the parabola is formula y plus xt equal to 2at plus at cube. On the parabola y plus xt equal to 2at plus at cube. That implies xt plus y by 2at plus at cube equal to 1. Given parabola y square equal to 4ax, that implies y square minus 4ax into 1 equal to 0. This normal curve subtends right angle at a, now we prove that subtends right angle at a vertex. Vertex means origin, that means homogenization with respect to the given curve y square equal to 4ax. Homogenization cheyali. Y plus xt equal to 2at plus at cube. Homogenization. 2at plus at cube by 1. Y square minus 4ax into 1. Y square minus 4ax into 1 means xt plus y by 2at plus at cube equal to 0. Next, subtends right angle at vertex. Subtends right angle. Subtends right angle at origin or vertex. That implies coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of, because first year chapter pair of straight lines, from pair of straight lines we have x square coefficient plus y square coefficient equal to 0, then that pair of straight lines is perpendicular to each other. Okay, that concept. Now coefficient of y square, coefficient of y square 1, coefficient of x square minus 4a into x square minus 4at by 2at plus at cube, అంతే, రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్ లేదు కదా, ఈక్వల్ టు 0. 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 4at, 80 కామన్ అవుట్, 2 ప్లస్ టీ స్క్వేర్, 80 కామన్ అవుట్, 2 ప్లస్ టీ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4, టీ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2, టీ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ 2, టీ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ 2. దట్ ఈస్ నార్మల్ కార్డ్ makes 90 degrees with origin, then t equal to plus or minus root 2. Now homogenization with respect to curve y square equal 4ax to the line y plus xt equal 2at plus at cube, we get y square minus 4ax into 1. 1 means xt plus y by 2at plus at cube. Right angle means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Coefficient of y square 1, coefficient of x square 4a into x square 4at by this one equal to 0. 1 equal to 4at by 80 into 2 plus t square, 80 cancelled, t square plus 2 equal to 4, t square equal to 2, t equal to plus or minus root 2. One of the most important problem. Okay.